first time, they've got a score of 12. Okay? If they miss some shots, then that score's higher. Okay, so it's just a nice little added thing. Throw a little competition, see if they can get that swing fit. Okay, point move. This is, I've got 3 basic concepts in your post moves. You've got a core move. The core move is basically a one-directional move. Okay, the core move is a power move. Okay, a turnaround jumper, a drop step. Okay, something that's just a basic, simple one-direction move. This move here would be a counter move. She starts with a drop step, defender cuts her off, so she's going to hook and then square. Okay, now if she does it with the proper speed, you do it. You do it right. Okay, you get a good bump off the line, turn, hook back. Okay, and I'll tell you, yesterday when they were scrimmaging, she pulled this off in practice, and I was like,